So my mother bought me a Dyson hair dryer, which I wanted, but I just never thought I'd spend the money to get it, and she got it for me. So I'm just gonna show y'all how this works because it's really cool. My hair is, I just got out of the shower and just put in some detangler and some 5-in-1 treatment to help avoid the frizz. But the first attachment here is just something to get the excess water out. So we're gonna start with that. That is high heat, high power. And I'm just gonna comb through it a little bit. And now I'm going to section my hair off to smooth it out. And then you put on this other attachment, which is the smoothing nozzle. And that is it. My hair is perfectly straight and it is super smooth and it is dry in like, you know, less than 10 minutes. So thank you, Mom, for buying me this great hair dryer.